Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to help you learn the negative makers in Khmer. I think in my experience, a lot of times, people confuse how to use it in negative. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce and help you learn how to make a negative sentence and also a command in Khmer. Okay, with negative. Okay, let's go with that. So let go there. I believe you know this already. Is we have art, we have mình, and mình man chia. So these are the three negative makers, and then the other one is com. Also is a negative maker, but for a command. Okay, so art, mình man chia, and com. So how do you use it in sentence for these four negative makers? So art or mình, I would say it is equally the same in some cases, but I think mình is more stronger negative. For example, like I don't want to go with you. So there are two ways of saying this. ខ្ញុំអត់ចង់ទៅជាមួយអ្នក or ខ្ញុំមិនចង់ទៅជាមួយអ្នកបាទមិន so អត់ and មិនមែនជា is also a negative maker, but for with to be, like she is not a teacher. So is not. For negative maker we use man chia. So to be plus negative maker is man chia. So to be plus man chia. Okay. So I am not a teacher. ខ្ញុំមិនមែនជាគ្រូបង្រៀនទេ Okay. And the te, gentlemen, the te is also optional for a negative maker, and we use the te at the end of the sentence. So she or he is not a teacher. គាត់មិនមែនជាគ្រូបង្រៀនទេ So again, មិនមែនជា we use it for with to be, negative with to be, is not, are not. Com is for order, like don't eat this, don't go, កុំទៅ កុំញ៉ាំ So com. Okay, so hope this short video will help you learn these four different negative maker in Khmer. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye.